So we got this illustration. Let P be a point on the parabola this. So you have a parabola on which P exists, okay, which is at a minimum distance from the center C of the circle this. So we have another circle, suppose this thing. So center of the circle is C. It is 0 comma minus 6. I hope you know how to find center, है ना? Center of a circle. Okay, the distance of the point P on the parabola should be minimum with the distance of C, center C of the circle. Okay, and then you have to find out equation of circle which is passing through C. So circle should pass through C. Suppose this is the circle. Okay, so your circle should pass through point C and it should have center at P. Okay, now look at this, how we will approach this question. So you know that we have to assume a point on the curve. So look at your curve. So you know that later you have to take square root, and this time it is 8. So we have problem with 8 as well. So if it is 16, square root would become easy. So I'll go with 2, and for x we will go with t square. So 2t square. So 16t square. So can I go with 4t? Is that okay? Now, so point P is 2t square 4t. Okay, point C is 0 comma minus 6, and they are talking about distance to be minimum. So can I go with the distance root over 2t minus 0 whole square? So it is 4t power 4 plus 4t minus of minus 6, so plus 6 whole square. So let's open and simplify. So 4t is 4t power 4 plus 16t square plus 36 48t. Till this part you guys are okay? Now look at this. We need to find out minimum distance and maximum distance. Okay, so you know that minimum and maximum will be calculated from minima and maxima, and minima and maxima is calculated from where? Application of derivative, dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, so we will apply that concept over here. So can I go with d square? Okay, it doesn't matter. So power 4 plus 16 t square plus 48t plus 36. I'll assume this thing to be y of t, and I'll differentiate dy by dt. So it is 16t power 3 32t plus 48. Now for critical point, what I'll do, I'll equate it with 0. Dy by dx dy by dt equals to 0 for critical point. Critical point means maxima minima. Okay, so you know that 16 and 16 everywhere. So I'll divide both sides by 16 as well. So t cube plus 2t plus 3 equals to 0. And if you'll observe, t equals to minus 1 is satisfying. So write t minus 1 thrice. So t equals to minus 1, so t plus 1 will be the factor. Okay, so t plus 1 equals to 0. Now make this equation look like this one. So you want t cube, so multiply by t square. So you got t cube, but you got additional t square, but you don't need any t square, so you have to remove t square. So do anything with this t to remove t square. So can I go with minus t? So it will become minus t square, correct? But you end up getting minus t where you want plus 2t. So you need 3t to neutralize this minus additional t. So plus of 3. Now your equation is balanced. Now simplify. So t plus 1 t square minus t plus 3 equals to 0. Is that okay? If you'll factorize this, you cannot factorize because d is negative. So you got one critical point as minus 1. Now what I'll try to do, they are talking about maxima or minima. So you know that minima is this point only. But for understanding, I'll tell you one thing. What I am doing? I am doing dy by dt greater than 0. So the same thing greater than 0. So you know that you got critical point as minus 1. So after minus 1 it is plus, before minus 1 it is negative. So decreasing, 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 suddenly a point occurs increasing. So this is minima. Okay, this is the point t at which function will be minimum. So can you update your point p? It was 2t square. So t is minus 1. So it will become 2. 4t. So t is minus 1. So minus 4. So you got your p, you got your, already got your c, 0 comma minus 6. Okay. Now you have to write down equation of circle whose center is at P and it should pass through C. So you have to find out, like to write down equation of circle, we need what? Center and the radius. So center is P and the radius is this thing. So go for it. So it is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 4 whole square is equal to Cp square. Okay, so I'll go with Cp. So Cp, you know, Cp square will be 2 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 minus of minus 6. So plus 6 square. So it is what? 4 plus 4. So it is 8. So required equation is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equals to 8. So this is your required equation of curve. I hope idea is clear.